Here she is. There's our duck flyer. Hi, pretty girl. Happy girl. Benjamin, don't touch the camera. Don't touch it. Back, pretty girl. Don't touch it, please. Sleepy. Oh, you're so smiley. She a happy girl?
Happy.
Lucy. Pretty girl.
Pretty girl.
Pretty girl.
Come up. Come up.
Oh. Watch out, you keep knocking it over. Don't touch it.
No touch it.
No, touch it. Can you see Lucy?
No do there. 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 There.
Yeah, now I can see Ben in it.
There. There. There.
Oh no, don't put those in there. No, thank you. Let's let her bounce. Can I have those, please?
No.
Okay.
Mom.
They're yours. Don't put them in Lucy's chair. She doesn't need hairpins.
No.
Are you trying to feed them to the duck? Duck's not going to eat bobby pins.
Bobby. Bobby. There's the Bobby.
Yeah.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Jump, Luce? Jumping, 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 jumping. Hi. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. And found a kitty. And found Scout. Hi, pretty girl. You see that kitty? Come here, kitty.
Mommy, sit.
There's Mommy.
Mommy, hey, Lucy, nice. Come on. No. No.
And she's okay.
No.
You running circles around the kitty? Oh man.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Circles?
Circles.
Two silly kiddos.
Goat.
Scout. Yep, that's Scout. Oh, bonk. You okay?
Oh man.
Did you hit your mouth on it? Oh, you're kind of bouncing. Now I can see both the crazy kids.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Big.
Hey, pretty girl. Bouncing, bouncing. That's a yellow ball. You got a basketball on your shirt, though. Bouncing it. Oh, thank you. Another bobby pin. Perfect. Just what I wanted. You found a basketball. Okay, throw it. Good one. You threw it to Luce. She's moving all over now. Whoa, careful.
Can
Can you give her a kiss? That was so nice. Lucy, I think this brother is going to keep you plenty busy.
Baby. Busy.
Brother busy. That's right.
Busy. 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 And busy. No, no. Busy. Busy.
You are so silly. Be nice to the kitties. No pillow fights with kitties. What's on that pillow, Ben? What's the picture on that pillow? What is this?
Now what?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Giraffe. That's right. Giraffe. Can I see it? Can you show me the giraffe? What's on your couch? What's on your couch? What is that?
What?
What is that?
Papa. What?
Behind you. On your couch.
Papa.
Is that a tractor?
Papa.
Purple. It's a green couch.
The tractor.
Green tractor. That's right. Alright. Lucy likes the duck. Woohoo. Oop. A little wiggly still. Hey, Lucy Lou. Hi, pretty. Can you give us another smile? Yeah. Well, okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.